Hello my fellow Guardians, in this video I'm going to show you exactly how to fix online error in Highguard on your PS5. So the first thing I did is that I just clicked on the PlayStation logo on my controller and I went back home right here, as you can see. Then what you need to do is to just go into your settings here on PS5, then click on users and accounts, scroll down, click on other and click on restore licenses. Then just select Highguard here and click on restore in the bottom right corner, just click on yes here. And now we're just going to wait for it to restore our licenses here, as you can see. Now when it's done, we're going to go back and then go back to network, settings and set up internet connection right here. Now on this one right here, I'm just going to show you where you need to click. So on your Wi-Fi here that you're connected to, click on this button right here. Then click on advanced settings, scroll down on the DNS settings here where it says manual. You have to change from automatic to manual. And on the primary DNS, set this one to 1.1.1.1 here, and the secondary DNS 1.0.0.1, and then click on OK in the bottom right corner. Now just simply wait for it to reestablish network here, as you can see. So just wait for it and then go back to this page. Now what you can also do, by the way, is to click on system here and also update your system software and update here, as you can see. So click, if this one says up to date, it's perfect. If it doesn't, it's always good to update this. You can just click on update using internet and hopefully this will be able to fix it for you as well.